Good day, everyone. My advocacy is about appreciating and protecting nature through education, creativity, and awareness. Inspired by Kalikasin, a Filipino naturalist, this advocacy highlights the importance of understanding and valuing our environment, especially the rich biodiversity of the Philippines. Today, many people overlook the beauty of plants and natural ecosystems. We often see nature as something ordinary, but in reality, it plays a very important role in our daily life. It provides us with clean air, food, medicine, and balance in the environment. Without nature, human life would not be possible. Through simple learning and awareness, we can develop a deeper appreciation for the nature and understand why it is important to protect it. Even the small things like observing plants around us or learning their names can help us value the environment more. This advocacy encourages people to learn more about plants, trees, and local ecosystem by sharing education content, photography, and simple storytelling. We can help others see how beautiful and important nature is. Social media can be a powerful tool if it used properly, especially in spreading awareness about environmental protection. Kalikasin shows that even humor, creativity, and plant photography can be powerful tools for education. His content makes learning about nature fun, engaging, and meaningful instead of making environmental education boring. He makes it enjoyable and relatable to young people. His works reminds us that the Philippines is rich in natural beauty and biodiversity from plants to forests. Our country is full of life that deserves to be protected and appreciated. We can start by taking care of plants, avoiding harm to nature, and encouraging others to be responsible with the environment. Even small action can create a big impact when done together.